Hi, so we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we are going to make a costume for Dhruv's school's fancy dress program. So this fancy dress theme is to be somewhat like a freedom fighter or a national hero. So which freedom fighter or national hero you are going to be today, Dhruv?
I think freedom fighter. I think Bhagat Singh.
So we're going to be Bhagat Singh, and we are not going with the usual, that shirt, black pant, and the hat kind of thing which we always see in Bhagat Singh, costumes to be like. We are not going with that. Instead, we are going to make Bhagat Singh when he was in the jail. So. Usually the dress of that era was more of like the kurtas and pajamas. So I've got this white kurta and pajama, and we have this black acrylic paint, and we also have, what is that in your hand?
Paintbrush.
A paintbrush. So we're going to draw strips and a number, like how it is used to be when they go to jail and all. And we'll also make some chains and other things which people usually wear when they are in jail during the olden times. And then we'll do some makeup, and then our Kutti Bhagat Singh will be ready. So let's start.
Yeah.
So we have this table mat which I've taken. I'm going to place it in between both the sides of this kurta. Otherwise the paint that you're doing will transfer to the other side as well, and it's an acrylic paint equivalent to a fabric paint. It will never wash off. So I'm going to place it like this so that I get a good surface also, and at the same time it does not transfer also. So you can see like this, right? So now what I'm going to do is we are going to draw strips. So for drawing the strips, like if you are very comfortable, you can directly draw with free hands. Or if you're not comfortable, you can either use a scale and a pencil to draw lines, and then you can fill in between them. Or else you can even use a washi tape to create those borders, and then you can fill inside. But if you are very lazy and you can do it by yourself, means you can directly go with the paint. So shall we start?
Yeah.
So we are going to make it in such a way that the strips are going to be this thick. It's going to start from here. It's going to go all the way to the bottom of the kurta. And same thing we are going to do with the pant. And we'll also put a number over here. Can you tell me which number you want over here?
100.
He wants 100. So we'll put 100 over there. Okay?
Yeah, 100. My favorite number.
Oh, why?
Because it's the biggest number.
It's the biggest number. There are numbers bigger than 100, no? Do you want to do? Ooh. You need to help me for filling paint into this. Fill paint into this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh,
That's
no
okay.
go.
That's okay.
Oh, my God, it's looking at that.
If it falls on the table, it can be cleaned. But if it falls on the dress, So you can see that I am making these long strips. And meanwhile, when I am making these long strips, let us see what are the lines that Dhruv have prepared to speak during the fancy dress program. So Dhruv, what are you going to say? How are you going to start?
So, hi, you're going to make some strips, but it's going to be a little below. So, wait first.
Okay, tell the dialogues that you have learned, no, for tomorrow's program.
It's easily. It's
Start.
good morning. I am Bhagat Singh. I am a fighter. I'm from India. I want to get the people.
Not more than that. So if you are, if for example your child is preparing for any fancy dress competition or programs or anything, if you want to, do something really creative, go and make the costumes with your own hands. And if you don't have time, you can go and purchase. But if you have time and if you have really good patience, go and do it. So we have almost made a lot of costumes for you, Dhruv.
Yeah.
I have made you into a Halloween vampire. I made you into a what were you last year? We have made you into Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Yeah, we have made you watermelon. I made you root also. You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So of all those things, what's your favorite one? We also made you into. You remember? Like we did the healthy and unhealthy food thing with the crown. I also made you into a vampire. So many things we did, right? But what's your most favorite one?
Vampires!
Why?
Because
So now we are done with this. I'm just going to flip it and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay.
no.
So this is how it looks like. Stand up now. Stand up.
The
We'll show.
under is upside down.
Just stand up. Stand up. We'll show how it will look. So I've still not removed that thing which I've kept inside. So this is how it will look like. Okay, and then we'll have a white pant at the bottom, and also we will be having few chains and links kind of thing which I told. It's very easy to make. I'll show you how it is done now. Ready? So now we are going to make the chain links, which we'll be putting like hatkadi in the heart, and then we'll have one at the neck, and I'm planning to do the same thing with the legs. So it's very easy to make. You have to use a black chart paper. So this black chart paper, it's actually a cardstock paper, which will be like very thick. So if you want, you can use that, or if you don't have a cardstock paper available, what you can do is you can go with a thick chart paper also. So we are going to make links out of it. We are going to make long strips out of it like this, and we are going to turn it, and we are going to just join it here. Turn, and you have to do like this, and you have to give to one strong boy to hold it.
It's yeah.
See, you have to hold it tight, otherwise it will keep opening. Okay, hold it like this. Don't leave. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut more strips. Because it's a thick paper, it needs more force. If it's a very thin paper like a chart paper or something, it will become very easy to do. But also remember that chart papers are thin and they can easily break if your child is using it. But these cardstock papers, they are relatively very thick and it does not break that easily.
Done.
Done? Keep it there. Good job.
It's your face.
Yeah. Show me. Give me. Take it out. So I'm going to make more. So this time we are going to take another strip, put it inside this loop. Again make a loop and join. And this is how we'll be continuing to make the long chains. Okay. So show Dhruv how to wear it.
So first you just okay.
Okay.
So and now you can't go anywhere.
This comes in like a T shape. So you have to put one in the neck. And then you have to leave both the sides open. Leave it open. Just leave it down. Yeah. And the last parts you have to take and put it in your hands.
I said drop it.
So that you get it right.
Vale.
Yeah. Don't do me, please. It's fault. This is very important one. Wait. Show me. Come on. Let's say the dialogue now. Look here.
Good morning. My name is Dhruv. My name is Bhagat Singh. I am a brave freedom fighter. I am from India. I want India to be free. Because of that, I'm being sent to jail. Inquilad Zindabad. Inquilad